Hey guys, this is just a quick video with a quick tip. So we recently got a new 2021 Tahoe for my wife, and we prefer the black badges. So got the black bow tie here in the front, obviously in the back, and then we also went with the black lettering for the Tahoe, and it says Premier in the back in black. However, the 22-inch optional wheels, there is no center cap black bow tie option. So got these on eBay here. It's got the cover on it here, but got these for about $20 and set of 4. I'm thinking to myself, there's got to be a better way to pop these things off, you know, without having to take the wheels off. I mean, these obviously have the lock, the wheel locks. You can use a special nut for that. Take all the lug nuts out, you know, just to pop that thing out, go around and do all 4. So there's got to be a quicker way. And remember that I had some old shower suction cups from our old house. Now, originally these things, obviously, it's because it's a handle. It had two ends just like this. But you can see, I just used my Sawzall and cut off one of the ends, because with the 2 ends, it wasn't gonna it wouldn't fit over the center cap there. So really, this is actually really easy, and I'm surprised that it worked. But just push against the center cap real hard, pop that in. I had to put the camera down to really get it on there tight. But once you have a really good suction all the way around, you push this in, and then you can just pull it out, and there you go. It'll come right out. Like I said, it might take a few tries. You might have to clean the surface of the suction and make sure you clean the surface of this. And we'll just release that. Pops right off. And then you get your black bow tie. Pop that in place. There we go. Wipe it off here. And there you go. No more gold, now you got black to match the black bow tie in the front and your lettering. There you go. There's a quick little tip.